Okay, listen here. Let me conclude. Let me finish this one. I told you here multiplication 7 cube all to the power of 2. Here that means 7 into 3 into 2 in that is equal to 3 2s are 6, 7 to the power of 6. Now what I am talking about third law, that is a to the power of m into a to the power of m all to the power of n, that is a to the power of mn. Like this, another example, 9 to the power of 5 all to the power of 3. That means 9 to the power of 5 all cube. That means that also we can write here as the law. 9 is the base and 5 is the exponents, here also exponents. So that is 9 to the power of 5 into 3, that is 9 to the power of 15, a big number. What I am telling, be careful about the laws of exponents. Even though you study this one in class 7, now we are revisiting because we are coming to the negative exponents. As I told you, morning, x inverse 1, that is 1 by x, 10 inverse 2, that is 1 by 10 square, that is 1 by 100. Now, let me conclude this after explaining these two in 3 minutes. Now, you saw this one, 5 square into 5 cube. Sir, multiplication, okay, you added. Exponents addition, that is a raised to m into a raised to n. A must be a, the base must be same. So write the base and add the exponent. 5 raised to 5. Now division is there, subtract. What is this? You will ask me. I know many ask me, sir, multiplication, why don't we multiply? No, this is power notation. 5 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 3. My children, listen here. What is 5 square? 5 square means 5 into 5. Then what is 5 cube? That is 5 into 5 into 5. Now what we need? 5 square into 5 cube. Listen here the method, the explanation for your mental math or for to satisfy your mind. Math is like that only. You have to satisfy your mind. Why? What? Like that only. So what is 5 square? 5 into 5. Okay sir, 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 how many times? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the power of 5. Exactly. That is the law. We have to add. Believe me, like this, whenever division is there, you have to subtract. Now, whenever bracket, that means all square, all to the power bracket is there, you have to multiply. 7 to the power of 6. Here, 9 to the power of 15, a big number, I told you. Now, after that, as we said before, division 10 to the power of 8 divided by 10 to the power of 4 means 10 to the power of 8 minus 4. That is 10 to the power of 4. As you told before, this is 10 to the power of 4. There also we can see, we can cut it 10 times, 8 times divided by 10 4, 4. Cut. Here multiply. There you can cut. You are getting the answer. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8. 8 times divided by, here 10 I wrote here, 8 times. That means into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. See, beautiful 10. See, now here 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 4 times. Division means cutting and putting. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly, sir, it is correct. 10 raised to 4. See, multiplication I explained. Because some children are asking me, now also you ask me, how sir? So division means cut in divide. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power of 4. Now another one. I am coming to this one. This is I completed. Now fourth one, a raised to m and b raised to m. As I promised today, I will complete this one. A raised to m, that is any number we can write. This is power is m. Power is same here. Before that, power or exponents were different. Here 2, 3 decimeter, 6, 3 decimeter, 3, 2 decimeter. But the base 5, 5, 5, 8, 8, 8, 10, 10, 10, like that the base was same. Now the base is different. Be careful here. But exponents are same. Power is same. For example, let me take 6 to the power of 3 into 7 or 5 or 10 to the power of 3. Don't take 4 like that. A is 6, B is 10. So what is this? AB 6 into 10 to the power of 3 into 3. No, power of 3 only. Here m only. No m into m. That means 6 into 10, 60 whole cube. That means 6 into 6 into 60. No, 60 into 60 into 60. So that is a big number. That means a into b, 6 into 10, 60. 60 cube, that 60 into 60 into 60. That means 6 6 are 6 into 6 into 6 into another method I am talking about, don't confuse, into 6 into 10 into 10 into 10. That means 6 6 are 36. Then 36 6 are what you are getting? 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Again 6 3 is 18. 216. 6 6 are 36. 6 3 are 18. 36 and 216. Now 216, 1, 2, 3. This is a big amount, is the big cash, whatever be that. Now I think it is also clear. A into B, A raised to M into B raised to M is equal to AB to the power of M. Okay, I think it is clear. Now another small example also you can write. 2 cube or 2 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of 3. That means 2 into 5. What I am telling, don't confuse. 2 to the power of 3 or 4 into 3 to the power of 4. That means 2 into 3 all to the power of 4. 2 3s are 6. Can you see that? 2 into 3. I am writing here because this is over. Another example for this little small one. 2 base is 2 into base is 3, but the exponents is 4 and 4. 2 to the power of 4 and 3 to the power of 4. That is equal to 2 into 3 all to the power of 4. That means 2 3s are 6, 6 to the power of 4. That is the answer for that. Now last one, a to the power of 0 means 1. I explained morning. Any number to the power of 0 means 1. Pen to the power of 0, 1. Mango to the power of 0, 1. 1000 to the power of 0 means 1. My any amount or Abdullah Sir to the power of 0 means 1. Pen to the power of 0. Now last one, what I am telling here, a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Now listen here, that also last example. A as before, sixth example for sixth one. A raised to m divided by b raised to m. Okay, fine. Suppose I am doing a is 8, 8 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 4, suppose. So what is your A? A is 8. What is your B? B is 2. What is here M? M is 4. M is not mango, 4, constant. So according to that, divided by 2 means 8 by 2 all to the power of, that means 8 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 4. I can write, and you can see that 8 to the power of 2 all to the power of 4. Beautiful. Because see, no need of calculating. We know that 8 by 2, see, 8 by 2 to the power of 4. 8 we can divide. We know that is 4. This is 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 4. That means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 16 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 16 32. 64. 64 into 4. Again 4 fours are 16. 1 carry. 4 16s are 24. 256. Okay. 4 fours are 16. 1 carry. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1. 5. 25. That means the final answer is 256 we got. Today we explained many things. You got the answer. This is the revision work. That another module also I gave you. Both I will send you. Now this I am sending. Okay. Okay then. Have a nice day. Thank you.